Okay, so hey everybody, this is Craig, and I'm sitting here in my office going through some footage, and I realized I found this really fun, these fun videos that I took while we were in Guadalajara bowling, and I never posted them. And so I wanted to share it with you guys because it's a lot of fun, and I think a lot of people would like to see that you can do normal things that we're all used to doing here, just like you can back in the States or in Canada. So one thing I will tell you is that we did have to go to Guadalajara. So you can take a bus, you can drive, you can get a cab, you can do all kinds of different things to get there. But it's basically one big long shot straight into Guadalajara. And we were actually on the outskirts, which is a suburb called Zapopan. And it's where really the business centers and the malls and all that type of thing is. So it's not in Guadalajara Centro, but it is actually part of the Guadalajara metropolitan area. And so basically we just kind of took a hook right around the back of Guadalajara and went to the mall. It's the Galleria Santa Cruz? No, I'll put it in the video. But hey, I hope you enjoy this. It's a lot of fun. And if you'll notice, there's some Christmas trees and everything in here so it was around Christmas time. So here we go. Hey, Remarkable Lifers. This is Craig, and today we are at the Galleria Mall in Guadalajara, Mexico. So we've come here with some friends because this is a nice place to see some familiar things like bowling, which is what KJ and they are doing right now. I stepped out for just a minute because I can't bowl with my bad knee and my bad neck. So got slip discs and a problem with my meniscus and not gonna risk it. So we are just walking around, taking a look at everything, and I'll give you a little view, and then we'll catch up with bowling. So one of the things about living lakeside is that you don't really get a chance to do some of the things that you take for granted, either in a city or back in the United States where we're from. Bowling is everywhere. You can pretty much find a bowling alley in most towns. We don't have one lakeside, so if we do, I don't know about it. There might be one in Chapala. I'm going to check that out. I'll put it right here if we do. But our friends came over here to Guadalajara, to the mall. It gives you a nice access to some familiar foods. We had Popeyes Chicken, things like that. You know, sometimes you just want something familiar. It's not a bad thing. So we came here, a little change of pace. They are bowling.
Let's go bowling! Hold on. There you
consistent.
If you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable life.